Assalamualaikum, my name is most much and most much also. In this video, we are going to do the end of Python. So as you can see, this is my wrapper, and we are going to know many more things. So today I have my epic pen, and I am going to tell you it. And what is the math in the Python? Math, and we are going to know array, tuples, and we are going to know ether and many more to learn. So that we are going to start by writing only. So first we are going to know the anchor tag. Note the anchor tag. Note that anchor tag that is going to be first the tuples. So basically I'm going to write A is equal to that and tuple. If I write A comma B comma C and then run. What is that showing us? I'm going to close that all things, and that is going to show us A B. Now I am going to show you the next. What will be the next? The next I am going to show you that is an array. So how array works? I am going to first print it, and what I am going to write the code. The code is going to be what? First there will be, and you can say there will be A is equal to curly bracket, and first there will be an array and then open it. It's like this. Now we can write here like name. That will be small. Now you can run it, and then that's our array. So now there are more tuples. Tuple will be this without the curly bracket, and this is dictionary. Basic one, you can do it to yourself. So now we are going to know the another one. What will be the another one? And the one is going to be what? The ether. Inter or inter, I think. And yes, that's ether. Now what we have to do, we have to write here a str string. I'm going to write here I'm going to write a str as equal to word that is going to be gone, and then there will be what? The th is equal to what? The what? The str and then th, run it. You are going to see so much good text. After that there will be an objective. That's how it works. Now now we are going to know the function. That is only you can like def main with a bracket, and that's the function. Now if that's why the Python, you can say I am telling you. So that's the Python. If you don't understand anything, you can comment me below, and I will make the video of it too separately, and I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care, and Allah Hafiz.